Good morning, friends and family and YouTubers. This morning we're going to see if the G3 will start. L3, sorry. Gleaner L3. I should read that before I talk. What's that? I'm ready. All right. She's a little bit beat up in here, but she's a Gleaner, so she hangs on. I don't know if you can even see that stuff. I don't know what that was. We're just going to ignore that. I don't know when the last time this was run. Hey, me and Dad were wondering when was the last time that we ran this. Was it year before last?
Year before last.
Year before last. 2018, right? Yeah.
I've had a ton of
Oh, okay. So the last time this combine moved out of this barn was 2018. Hopefully we'll change that today. Want some help?
Need to push that in.
I don't know if I can.
You gotta remember that.
Do you have a special place you put those?
I'm just saying, well, if they were backwards.
Oh.
So that this thing must need to go on the inside.
The zip tie goes on the inside?
I guess so, apparently. Because the Kubota only has float in one direction. And it was the wrong, so for down, that should be on the down. And it was on the up, so.
Huh.
All right.
All right. So we're going to get white wagons?
Yeah. Thing in there.
All right.
I should have run my adapter.
got corn finally. I'm in the big harvester, and we're over at the Bryant farm. Just took the ends off the field, and they were pretty dry, about 60%. Taking some of that to the elevator just to test out the scales on the grain cart. And once we've got that figured out, then we'll take the rest of this to the bin until it's full. It will pour the bin, you know, and then maybe bring some over here from next month and put in that bin. That's the plan right now. Chris is running the grain cart right now, and Poppy is carrying the second 2 wagon loads up to the elevator. Gets back, I think he's going to take over the grain cart. Chris is going to go work on getting the gleaner set up, I think for beans. And we're just going to probably ride the rest of the day here if we can and fill this bin up. I don't know if we'll be able to do that today, but probably tomorrow we'll finish filling the bin. And I'll show you that setup as well. Good, the bushels good, bad. Happy and running. Sometimes the hopper gets full and corn gets behind the little switch that tells you when it's full, and it doesn't tell you when it's full. And that's when you get cab corn. You all right? You okay? So we've taken, I don't know, between 2,000 and 3,000 bushels out of the field here at the Bryant farm, and we had a little breakdown. We had a bolt shear off. This thing is supposed to be up there, and as I was going back into a field, Chris heard it rattling and looked under there, and this was up there just banging around, still in there. But basically the bolt that should go in the end is like a 7-inch long bolt. So once we tap that and pull that out, we've got to go get the bolt from a shop in the morning. Got the pieces taken out. So we're out of commission for right now. I've got a Grammy coming to pick me up to take me to the back to Maple Line to get the little harvester, and I'll come out here, but the rows are really long here, so I'm gonna have to like dump in the middle, dump on the far end, dump in the middle, dump back at the front. So we have to figure out how to position wagons and things to do that, and then maybe we can go a little bit, you know, running out of daylight, so I'll be doing that at nighttime if I get to do it. So this could be the end of day, what is it, 7? We'll see.